Alrighty, you might have logged in to your Launchpad and tried to get to your Blackboard Learn class and find that you're getting an error. Um, that's okay. You can actually go to the website and sign in directly. If you don't know your username and password, you're going to go in Launchpad to the app. Don't click on it, right click on it, say Update Password, and this is going to tell you your username, and if you click on the little eyeball here, it's going to tell you your password. So record that information and go directly to Blackboard Learn's website, which is for Brevard County is brevard.blackboard.com. So you just type just that up there, brevard.blackboard.com. You get to this page. You put in that username and password, click login, and you'll get there. We are working for this to get fixed in Blackboard and on Launchpad, so no panicking. Right click, update password, username, little eyeball, go directly to their website, brevard.blackboard.com, sign in, and you'll be fine. Thanks for your patience.